Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
I think that one of the main things that I could tell you that from this weekend were like a big aha moments for me, because I had a lot of them. I did not expect to get so many realizations and so many overall visions as to our future. Is that there's always room for improvement, and if you stay connected with the right people, you're going to keep on growing, regardless of what you're doing. No matter what, you want to take yourself to the next level, and you want to be connected with the right people consistently. One of the big things that I realized, there was this speaker who I wouldn't have expected. I wouldn't have expected Steve Harvey to come to stage and mind blew a lot of people on it. I liked what he talked about because it's something that for all of us it really applies, is finding what your gift is. If you discover what your gift is, you can expand. If you don't know what your gift is, then you need to look for that as a first step. What do you know how to do really well? Well, that's what you need to do. And you need to do a lot of it consistently. That could be being a speaker like myself. I'm really good at that. So I'm going to do a lot more of that. I'm going to do a lot of seminars, a lot of podcasts, a lot of content, because my content, my education helps people improve different areas of their life. So I want to keep on doing that. But if you are an entrepreneur and you're into building businesses, then do more of that. If you are a great secretary, well, expand on that. See what people you can help that they can get a lot of power from, so you can continue to expand. It doesn't matter what you are. You got to figure out what your gift is and how you can change the world and make it better through your power and your ability. I think that if you guys think about this for a second and you try to let this particular thing that I'm going to let you know right now, if you let it sink in for a second, it's going to make an impact in your life. And that's the fact that I'm 38 years old. A lot of you guys that are watching this are in your 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s. Doesn't matter what your age is. We are the first generation in history to have access to this online world. The first one. Our parents had to build their businesses without it. They went traditional. They did media mail, they did postcards, they did the phone books, they did newspaper, magazines, televisions. People before that, it was even more outdated. What things that we don't even consider, right? They had 98.7 radio stations going on in investing thousands of dollars on trying to get their messages out there. We have this incredible thing called the internet. And inside the internet, we have this incredible thing called social media. And social media is just that. It's a social platform for us to get our message seen by a lot of people. So if you are not heavily invested in getting your message out there, you are sacrificing your own expansion. And that's what you need to figure out. Putting yourself out there consistently, showing up to different places, being active, helping people, trying to get your message seen by the masses has never before been so possible. And that's something that I want all of you guys to jump all over it and not take for granted. Because a lot of people out there, most people take it for granted and they don't realize that the more that you put yourself out there, the more consistent it is that you actually get your message out there through Facebook live video, through Instagram posts, through YouTube video, through stories on Instagram and Facebook, through messenger broadcasts, messenger messages, all these incredible platforms, the faster that you can expand your businesses, accomplish your goals, and create that ideal scene for yourself that you have pictured for a long time, no matter what that is. So we have to go heavy at it and do our part on getting our message out there, because our message is valuable and we all have the talent to be able to get our message out there.